Today I'm opening up my very first 3D resin printer. It's the LD002R made by Creality. Let's get this thing unboxed. Let me get my knife out. We can open the box. Okay. Cardboard top. We have some tools. Looks like Allen wrenches, plastic scraper, metal scraper, paintbrush, mask, instruction, a little SD card reader. We also have power cable, some release film, all right, let's take off this packaging. I think I can get it out of the box now. All right, there it is. Let me move this box out of the way. Make sure I have everything I need out of it. Everything is out of the box now. Okay, here's the 3D printer. I'm going to get it out of its packaging. Here is the top, some kind of QR code. Some more styrofoam to remove carefully. It looks like there's something in the styrofoam. Yep, there is. Have this plate and mounting bracket. And here is the 3D printer out of all its packaging. We have this arm in the middle, this reservoir area, screen down here, on-off button, place to plug in the power cord. Okay, gonna get this packaging put away, then we'll go on to the next step. So it looks like what I thought was the SD card is actually a USB drive. Let's go ahead and remove the platform, take a look at it. If the platform is not level, you can adjust it by following the manual. There's a lot of other great information in the manual as well. Before I do my first test print, I need some resin, but thankfully some is coming in the mail tomorrow. I got my resin in the mail. I decided to go with this 500-gram bottle of white. I think that'll be fun to work with. While I was waiting for my resin to show up, I decided to look more into resin printing and try to find some best practices. I've done quite a bit of additive printing with this PLA, but resin's a bit of a different beast. Before printing with resin, make sure you understand some of the safety things when it comes to resin. Not only the how, but the why behind it. That'll help you out a lot. Using gloves and properly cleaning the part after it's printed are really important. I'm going to put the resin in the resin vat, and then I'm going to print out the sample Eiffel Tower. I check to make sure that the platform is level. If it's not level, you can adjust these Allen screws on the side. After it's done printing, you clean off the excess resin with some alcohol, and then you let it cure with some sort of UV light. It takes a little bit more work for all the post-processing, but you can get some really remarkable details. I'm excited to experiment more with this printer and make some more cool things.